Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Alright, so we got another haul from Candy Funhouse. By the way, they should sponsor us at this point. Alright, so we're doing like a sweet, spicy, and a mystery challenge at the end.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm just going to pull out whatever first. Alright. So first up we have
Soft baked cookies, Lucky Charm.
Pillsbury. Alright, let's try this. Oh, they're mini. Okay. So we don't have these. If I can get it. Oh, here. There's a rip right here.
I want to hold it.
Can you open it?
Good, look like this.
Alright. Let's see. Bite it! What, you don't like it?
No.
It's Lucky Charms. Yeah. They're dry.
Milk.
Yeah, I'm not a real fan of these. What'd you give this one?
A 0.
0? Oh man. I'll give it
A 2.
3. You give it a 2?
A 0. You give it
No,
a 0.
I give it a 3. You get it a 3. All right.
Ugh.
Next up. You should got your water to rinse out your mouth. All right, next up.
Crunchy poppers.
It's Pop-Tarts. Crunchy Pop-Tarts. Crunchy Poppers.
Strawberry flavor.
Frosted strawberry crunch. All right. So all these stuff we've never had.
Oh look, they're just little mini.
Oh.
Oh, I got double.
I already showed them. All right. It has a gross aftertaste. Ew. Why is it like that? I mean, it wasn't bad until the aftertaste. Did you get it? Let me try. Let me try again.
At least they're better than the other ones.
No. It's the aftertaste. Man, I was excited for these. They had potential. What do you give this one?
A 5.
5? I give it a 4. All right,
It's a yes and a no, and then maybe and a so.
I didn't find strawberry flavor. Did you find some?
Yep. At like the
In the gross aftertaste?
not the gross aftertaste. That like the.
All right, so those
English.
were our sweet things. So now it's time to turn up the heat. Literally. All right, so
Those don't look like the
starting
eat things.
with the spice fruit.
Ooh,
So there is cardamom grapefruit, mace lemon, clove pear, chili mango, and cinnamon lemongrass. So we're gonna try each flavor.
I was just reading from the back.
Oh, well, it's here. All right, so we're gonna. There's
Here.
no rip.
Here.
I still got stuff in my teeth. All right, so get 2. I'll just dump them all out.
I think I got all of them.
All right, so there's those
one.
brown ones. 2 green.
Oh, I smell one of them. They smell gross.
You only need 2. Why are you picking out 4? Okay, orange. Yep. And purple. You get all? So 1,
Wait.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, so 5. Okay.
Ew, I
So
smell
we're gonna
lemongrass.
try.
And it doesn't smell gross.
one of
I
these-
didn't smell.
It's gonna. What? All right. So grab a color. We're gonna try it. So orange.
Yep.
So we're trying the chili mango first. Maybe it's just the packaging that stinks. All right. Cheers. No, it's not the packaging. It's this. It doesn't smell good. All right.
Wait, which one are we trying?
Chili mango.
We like mango.
Mm-hmm. This one's good. I don't get the chili yet. Let's see.
Next, we're gonna try the yellow one.
So what do you give this one?
A 5.
I'll give it a 6. It's not bad. I thought it would be spicy though. Alright. Next is the yellow. Mace and lemon.
Yep.
Why is my throat tingling? Alright. Bottoms up.
That one's good too.
There's something in there.
What?
What is mace?
I thought it was mice. Mice.
That's not mice.
I still have this one in my
It's a
mouth.
spice. Yeah, this one's not bad either. We give lemon.
6.
Out of the 2, I like the mango better. So I gave mango 6.
I like lemon.
It just literally just tastes lemon. I don't taste no mace or whatever it's supposed to. I'll give that 5. You need to have a fresh palate to taste the rest. You can't just keep putting them all in your mouth. All right. We'll do this pinky purpley one.
Is it all?
Cardamom and grapefruit.
I'm not excited.
You don't like cardamom?
I don't know what cardamom is.
What is it called?
Cardamom.
Cardamom? All right.
It's spicy!
It's not spicy. I can eat this one. It just has a
Where's my lemon one?
acquired taste. This one's not spicy though.
My lemon one. I give that one 3.
This one's a 3?
Yeah.
That one's not bad. I'll give it... I don't taste grapefruit though either. I'll give it a 5.
We're gonna try the clove pear next anyways.
I don't like clove.
What is clove?
It's a spice. All these flavors are like tingling my tongue. All right. We have
That
one
one's
more?
tingling my tongue. Yeah,
Yeah, it's probably from the cardamom. All right, so this brown one we're trying.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Oh, this is the one that smells.
They all smell like that though. Yeah.
Nope. Nope. Here's my.
Wait.
Come on, Mama, you got it.
I don't taste the clove. I just taste the pear. I think I psyched myself up to taste the clove. That I don't taste it. Because me and clove aren't friends.
We can't be friends.
I actually like that one. I liked it. I'll give that one a 6. All right, is this the best for last? Cinnamon and lemongrass. You can't smell the package. They all smell like that. They all smell like Play-Doh. All right.
This is my. This is all my my good ones.
There's nothing in it, right? Okay. What if the flavor was in the middle and this whole time we didn't know? All right. Last one. This one's weird.
I don't like this. I taste grass.
It's lemongrass.
I don't taste no lemon. I taste grass. I'm not a cow.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to be a cow.
This one tastes like what is it? That one when you're sick? Ricola?
I never had it. So
You have had it when you have like a sore throat or cough. That's what it tastes like. It just tastes like medicine.
But like that kind of medicine.
Yeah. Ugh. I'll give that a 5. I feel like this one was all like, for me anyways, was 5s.
2.
You didn't like any of them.
2. I like these more than the yellow one.
Oh yeah, so you like the what was it? The mango and chili and the mason lemon. Those 2 she likes.
They good.
All right,
And we still have the rest of this.
All right, so we're on to spicy. All right, so sweet and spicy gummy bears. These are chamoy flavored.
Wait. I saw these before.
Okay.
But it's in the YouTube video.
So the spice level is like all the way to the end at this. If you can see that. Zaya's clearly getting excited. That's why she's jumping around.
No, I'm like this.
So I've never had chamoy, but I always hear about it.
I don't know what chamoy is.
It's a spice.
Everything is a spice. I don't smell anything. What do you smell?
So they're definitely covered.
Let me see. I smell it.
All right. So chamoy is a delightful sweet and spicy sauce. Oh, sauce. Okay. Originating in Mexico. Excuse me. So indulge in this exotic candy experience that combines a unique blend of sweet, spicy, salty, and fruity flavors. It's gummy candy with a kick.
Yeah.
All right, so grab one. Come on. All right. I don't know what kind it is, so don't ask me the flavor.
Look at this. It looks like. Hold up. It looks like somebody pooped on it.
Ah, stop it! You're gross.
Doesn't it?
Why is yours wet? Mine's not looking like that. Here, get a new one.
Somebody did poop on it.
Sarah, stop it. All right, so let's try it. Ready? Oh, my nose is burning already. Okay.
And my mouth is burning.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
My tongue is burning where I licked it.
Come on, put your mouth. Oh gosh. Woo. Oh my gosh. I don't want to taste the gummy bear. Are you good? It's getting hot in here. Woo. Oh my gosh. Zell, you wimped out. Mm-mm. Wow, Zell wimped out of the challenge. Whew. Well, it definitely has its kick, I can tell you that. My mouth is burning. Just the one side though. Zell, come back! She done run away. It's not even that bad. It was like, do you think these are hotter than the hot fries? No, the hot fries like burnt your whole... You have to eat a whole thing. Here, we'll do 2. Challenge! Let's go!
They
Come
taste
on.
weird and I don't like it.
It doesn't taste weird. You just have to get over the chamoy taste. Come on, 2. Get your 2. And then we're moving on to the...
Look, I have a red and orange one.
I don't know. What is this? Orange?
Orange and brown.
Orange and brown!
It's still burning on my tongue.
You got it because you licked it. Here, I'll get a... I think this is green. Yeah, green. All right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Not all of them are spicy though. This one wasn't bad. Come on, Zara. Oh yeah, there goes the heat. Yep. If you chew it up faster, you get to the sweet. We can't suck on it. It makes it worse. What's happening? Did you get over? Come on. You want to do spicy challenge? What are you gonna do? All right. I'm done. Whew. Are you crying? Oh my gosh. There's tears coming out your eyes. Let me see. Oh my god. When you did the hot fries, you were crying. Oh my god. Drink some water.
Water makes it worse.
Well, then you're going to suffer. Woo. All right, so I guess we'll come back after she's done crying. All right, so we'll end the video there. Intermission, guys. Yes.
I can't feel.
Are you done dying?
I need another one.
She can't feel her tongue. What are you
this
doing?
Will help. This will help. This will help. Oh, this will help.
Will it help? I don't know why you're dying. I don't understand.
It's definitely spicier than the thing then.
No, I thought the hot fries were spicier.
Yeah. Oh, this is not even the package.
This is it.
The hot fries were probably right in the middle.
Yeah, we even had a challenge, and we're just eating, and whoever drank water. But this one,
num.
But this one, I gave you one, and then you were dying. Then I gave you two,
and then I was already dead. I was in my grave.
So who am I talking to right now? The ghost of you? Fresh taste.
I'm a zombie.
Okay, zombie.
Bar.
All right, so what do you give these?
A level one.
A level?
A level of infinity on the spice, and 0 because I didn't like it.
I'll give these one.
No, it's a negative 27.
I'll give them a 6. They were good after you got over the heat part. And they were just like a regular gummy bear. So, yeah. All right. So that's the end of this haul. So what do they got to do?
Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications.
Yep. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Peace.